Alrighty. Well, it looks like it is 7 o'clock, so let's get started with our 2019 Topps Chrome Sapphire Baseball Random Player One Box Break number 12. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in a random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against a numeric checklist from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Robbie6999 in the top spot. And we've got Prolif 282982 in the bottom spot. So we're going to cut and paste that list right beside our numeric checklist. Load this up a little bit. Now I know there's some folks that are breaking with us that are in this break. They're breaking with us for the first time. So if you happen to be watching in live stream and have a question or anything, please put that in the chat and I will answer it as soon as possible. So I'm going to cut and paste this list over here to the right, and then we're going to sort it by everyone's eBay IDs. And we're going to scroll through this list, and it's going to take a couple minutes because this is a big list. But that way everyone can see who they have in the break before we open the box. And of course, we'll do a full recap at the end, go through all the cards and see who got which ones, of course. Now that we have been through our list, let's open our box and see what we get. Here are our 8 packs, 4 and 4. All right, pack number 1. First card is Kenta Maeda. Second card is Adam Jones. Next card is Wade LeBlanc. And then the last card in the pack is Jesse Winker. Pack number 2. Looks like we have our parallel in this pack. First card is Martin Perez. Our next card is Howie Kendrick. And then our next card is a Chad Bettis Orange Parallel. And that is serial numbered 13 of 25. And then our last card in the pack is Alex Avila. Pack number 3. First card is Ketel Marte. Their next card is Ike Matuk. And then Andrew Benintendi. And our last card in the pack is a Carter Kieboom rookie. Next pack. First card is Yolmer Sanchez. Then our next card is James Paxton. And then our next card is Nicholas Castellanos. And then our last card in the pack is Whit Merrifield. Next pack. First card is Miguel Rojas. And then we have Ronis Elias. And then our next card is the Cincinnati Reds team card. And then the last card in the pack is Austin Barnes. Next pack. First card is Dion Travis. And our next card is our rookie autograph, Steven Gonzalez. And then our next card is Lucas Giolito. And our last card in the pack is Cody Bellinger. Next pack. First card is Ivan Nova. Then our next card is Yoshihisa Hirano. Got a little tongue-tied on that one. Pardon me. Then our next card is Caleb Joseph. And then our last card in the pack is Steven Strasburg. Alrighty, last pack. First card is Travis Shaw. Then our next card is Brian Goodwin. And then our next card is Jose Urena. And then the last card in the box is Eddie Rosario. Alrighty, now that we have opened all of our packs, let's go back through our list and see who got which cards. Give me just a second. I'm going to sort these base cards in numeric order just so it's a little easier to go through the list. Let me pull up the list, speaking of. Luis, it's not the best box that I've ever seen, but oddly enough, it's not the worst. Although I'll admit, I was hoping for better. Alrighty, now that I've got all these sorted, let me see here. So our first base card is Adam Jones, and that goes to Sportsmith 5218. Congrats on that. And the next is Caleb Joseph for Cards for Hobby 17. Congrats on that, Joseph. And the next is Jose Urena. That goes to CHP Lemons. Congrats on that. And the next is Wade LeBlanc. And that goes to Justin B. Congrats on that. And the next is Jesse Winker. And that goes to John Duplich. 0. Congrats on that. And then next is Nicholas Castellanos. And that goes to Hawkeye 420. Congrats on that. And then next is Martin Perez. And that goes to CHP Lemons, doubling up. Congrats on that. And the next is Whit Merrifield. And that goes to Mally Malady. Congrats on that. And the next is James Paxton. And that goes to Harry Belzana. Congrats on that. And the next is Eddie Rosario. And that goes to P. Iglesias 20. Congrats on that, Pablo. And the next is Dion Travis. And that goes to CHP Lemons with the triple. Congrats on that. And the next is Yomer Sanchez. And that goes to Demian 1218. Congrats on that. And then next is Steven Strasberg. And that goes to Gaff Bria. Congrats on that. And the next is Kenta Maeda. And that goes to CHP Lemons with the quad. Congrats. And the next is Ketel Marte. And that goes to Old Rocker 9000. Congrats on that. And the next is Carter Kieboom. And that also goes to Old Rocker 9000. Doubling up. Congrats on that. And then next is Miguel Rojas. And that goes to CHP Lemons with number 5. Congrats on that. And then next is Ivan Noah, which also goes to CHP Lemons with number 6. Congrats on that. And then next is Yoshihisa Hirano. And that goes to John Duplag 0 with the double up. Congrats on that. And then next is Austin Barnes. And that goes to Gaff Bria. Doubling up also. Congrats on that. And then next is Alex Avila. Going to John Duplag 0 with the triple. Congrats on that. And then next is Mikey Matuk. And that goes to Old Rocker 9000 with the triple. Congrats on that. And then next is Cody Bellinger, and that goes to CHP Lemons with number 7. Congrats. And then next is Andrew Benintendi, and that goes to John Duckminski, 0. Congrats on that. And then next is Howie Kendrick, and that goes to Justin B with the double. Congrats on that. And then next is Rowanus Elias, and that goes to Johnson Matthew W21. Congrats on that. And then next is Brian Goodwin, and that goes to Stahel 5308. Congrats on that. And then next is Lucas Giolito, and that goes to Fred Said 22. Congrats on that. And the next is Travis Shaw, and that goes to Old Rocker 9000 with the quad. And then our last base card is the Cincinnati Reds team card, and that goes to Johnson Matthew 21 for the double. Congrats on that. So then next we have our Chad Bettis Orange Parallel, serial numbered 13 of 25. And that goes to CHP Lemons. Congrats on that. And then lastly, we have our autograph of Steven Gonzalez. You scroll down here to my little list of autograph cards. There we go. And he is 355. And that goes to CHP Lemons. Congrats on that. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 2019 Topps Chrome Sapphire Baseball Random Player One Box Break number 12. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everybody that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in about 10 minutes with our 2021 Topps Clearly Authentic Baseball Random Player One Box Break number 1. Thanks again, everybody. All right. I want to get our lists updated since we have